Connect oscilloscope probe to BNC socket. Clip the small ground clip and clip the probe tip. Okay, next press H1 button and F2 and press H2 button to off. Okay, next press H3 button and F3. Okay, press H4 button and press F1. Connect oscilloscope probe and function generator to get sine wave. At function generator, set frequency 1 kHz and input sinus waveform. Adjust the amplitude no until 2 VPP is seen. Repeat the procedure to get type of the waveform. At the 20 kHz, press button number knob until amplitude seen. Press button waveform. Rotate the button until get perfect waveform. You can adjust go up and go down until you get a perfect